हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रायशो एजू। दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 6 साइंस सब्जेक्ट में हमारा जो 6 चैप्टर है सब्सटेंसेस इन डेली यूज, जिसमें आज हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखेंगे जो होंगे आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली। दोस्तों, मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज हमारे वेबसाइट पे www.prayashoedu.com पे विजिट कीजिए और जो भी आपके वर्कशीट है या टेस्ट पेपर है आप वहां पे देख सकते हैं। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं इस हमारे वीडियो को। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड द क्वेश्चन इज नेम द वेरियस सिंथेटिक थ्रेड्स एंड द आंसर इज नायलॉन, डेक्रॉन, पेरिलिन, terine, polyester, rayon are the name of various synthetic threads. Next one is name the various cotton substances and the answer is cloth, fiber, a sari, a handkerchief, a quilt, a mattresses, a pillow, etc. Next one is name the various iron substances and the answer is construction steel bars, a griddle, part of automobiles, an electric pole, tables, cupboards, etc. Next one is name the various aluminum substances and the answer is kitchen utensils, electrical cables, etc. Next one is what is natural substances and the answer is substances available in nature are called natural substances. Next one is what is biotic substances and the answer is substances obtained from living things are called biotic substances. Next one is what is abiotic substances and the answer is air, soil, water are substances that are not obtained from living things are called abiotic substances. Next one is name the animal origin substances and the answer is leather and wool are obtained from animals are of animal origin substances. Next one is name the plant origin substances and the answer is jute and cotton are substances of plant origin. Next one is what is man-made substances and the answer is substances produced by processing naturally available substances are called man-made substances. Next one is what is irreversible changes and the answer is the original constituent substances cannot be obtained again from the new substances. Next one is which are the production of substances and the answer is rubber, paper, etc. are the production of substances. Next one is what is vulcanization and the answer is vulcanization is a chemical process. The rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. This process makes rubber hard. Next question is which natural materials are used to obtain fibers and the answer is cotton, silk, wool, etc. Natural materials are used to obtain fibers. Next one is which are the natural materials obtained from plants and animals and the answer is bamboo, wood, coconut fronds, tree bark, leaves, cotton, silk, wool, etc. नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पे देखो दोस्तों डिस्क्राइब ब्रीफली है यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द सब्सटेंसेस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड द आंसर इज सब्सटेंसेस आर मेड अप ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. सब्सटेंसेस कैन बी गिवन अ डिजायर्ड शेप. It means that we consider the properties of substances to use them for making things. Objects are made up of substances. Objects have a specific shape. Their parts have a specific arrangement by which we identify them. Second one is what is the natural substances and the answer is substances available in nature are called natural substances. Substances obtained from living things are called biotic substances. Air, soil, water are substances that are not obtained from living things are called abiotic substances. Bamboo, stone, soil, wool, etc. are natural substances. Next one is what is the man-made substances and the answer is substances produced by processing naturally available substances are called man-made substances. Pen, pencil, brick, nylon, rayon, etc. are man-made substances. Next one is what is the vulcanization of rubber and the answer is in this process rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. To give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose for the rubber will be used. For example, erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys, etc. Next one is, how is proper paper made? And the answer is, coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood is broken into small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous substances from wood pulp are separated and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper, and finally wound on reels. Next one is, what are the advantages of synthetic fiber? And the answer is, advantages of synthetic fibers are, these fibers can be manufactured on a small scale, they are costless, they rot or get wet, they are strong and durable, they can be used for a long time, they are water repellent, hence do not rot or get wet, they dry easily, and they are lightweight and comfortable to wear. Next question is, what are the shortcomings of synthetic fiber? And the answer is, they are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Synthetic fabric catches fire easily. Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear, especially in summer, and continuous use of cloths made from these threads keep the skin moist, which may cause skin disease. And the last one is, these fibers are not decomposed by microorganisms.